AAA gaming for just $200. Can it still be achieved, or is it just a distant memory? In this video, I decided to put it to the test using used parts. Meet today's star of the show, the Power Color AMD RX 5700 XT. Shockingly, I was able to get this card for $80. That's an insane value for a card that can still play modern games. This cheap powerhouse can still deliver great performances. Today though, we may have to compromise a bit given the budget. Through Facebook Marketplace, I was able to buy this PC composed of an i7 4790K, 16GB of RAM, 240 gigs SSD, and a 450 watt power supply for a total of $100. Now on to the benchmarks. Starting this PC with a light session of esport gaming, we have Fortnite. This game's run pretty well even though we're bottlenecked by our i7. Using the performance preset, we average out 125 FPS with a maximum of 206 and a 1% low of 27, giving us a great experience. Following up is Cyberpunk with shocking results. At 1080p, Ultra preset with no upscaling, and this PC handles it like it's nothing. The game is running beautifully at an average of 67 FPS, a maximum of 92, and finally a 1% low of 40. This $200 machine is absolutely able to provide a wonderful experience on this game.
Hey Judy, what's up?
Hey, can you come over stat?
Something happened?
Yeah. Just come.
For our third game, we are benchmarking the new Battlefield 6 Open Beta. Now this game proves to be quite the challenge for a little $200 beast, but still somehow powers through, giving us an average of 39 FPS, a maximum of 55 and 1% low of 80 FPS, while running at 1080p high settings with no upscaling. The reason I went with this preset is that we are being held back by the CPU, and lowering the settings would not give us more performance. Last but certainly not least, Clair Obscur Expedition 33, running on the medium preset, using Intel's XeSS upscaler on the ultra quality preset, giving us a bit more performance while keeping sharp visuals. This game almost makes it to 60 FPS with an average of 52, a maximum of 63, and 1% low of 31.
Sophie's down.
Yeah,
I
thanks. I can't imagine what you're going through.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I've lived 33 good years. Look around. We've had our whole lives to prepare. We're all fine. Mostly.
I'm not fine.
You will be.
So yes, a $200 budget PC can absolutely give you a great gaming experience. What would you play on a setup like this? Would you like to see if overclocking can push this PC even further? Drop the answers in the comment, and if you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for watching!